from Earth orbit! This is such an incredible feeling when your body soars in zero gravity. It cannot be compared with anything. You're probably surprised and wonder how I got here. I'm flying to Mars. I had a huge contest and my friend Elon chose me. And now I will make my lessons from my spaceship, and probably I will be the first vlogger to make my vlogs from space. Elon said that I have a suitable jacket because it's not always convenient to be in a spacesuit. Therefore, he allowed me to take my anorak. At first, it's very fun to experience a feeling of weightlessness, to hover around the ship. But a couple of times I hit my forehead on the door jamb and I don't really like it. I really want to eat a normal sandwich, but here it is impossible to do it because ordinary bread cannot be taken to space. Breadcrumbs can fly on ship and accidentally it can be inhaled. So no sandwiches. Someday I will show you my food, but today we're going to talk about solar system and we will learn very interesting and important words. You all know very well that in the center of a solar system is a star. It's called the sun, and all space objects revolve around the sun. The sun itself is very large, but there are some stars that are even larger than the sun. The closest planet to the sun is Mercury. But no one is going to fly on Mercury yet, but who knows what awaits us in future. And Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. After Mercury, there is Venus. Venus is very similar in size to Earth, but only in size. Venus is very severe and has a very terrible climate. So Venus is not suitable for life at all. So I don't recommend you to fly to Venus. And besides, all of our planets of our solar system rotate in a counterclockwise direction, and only Venus rotates in counterwise direction, means opposite. After Venus, there is Earth. Earth is the most beautiful planet in our solar system. And here is a beautiful view to our Earth opens from a porthole. And when you look at Earth from such a huge distance, then you think how beautiful, small and defenseless the Earth is. You ask, what is the moon? The moon is not a planet. The moon is the satellite of our Earth. Of course, I would like to visit the moon also, but this is somehow another time. While after Earth comes Mars. Mars is smaller than the Earth, but out of all planets of our solar system, Mars is the most suitable planet for colonizing it. In comparison with the Earth, Mars' gravity is 2.5 times less than on Earth. This means that if you weigh 45 kilograms on Earth, then you will weigh 17 kilograms on Mars, and you will jump 3 times higher than on Earth. And that means that soon I will weigh 20 kilograms, and I'm so happy, hooray! And now the weather on Mars is pretty normal, and you can get even a little sunbathing. So I took my sunglasses and beach hat. Elon dreams of populating Mars with people, building entire Martian cities. No, I will not build anything there. I will just fly to Mars and be back, since my mother asked me to not linger. So, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are quite normal planets because they consist of silicates and metals. But the following planets are not quite ordinary. These are gas giants, and there is certainly nothing to do for us. These are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Jupiter is the largest planet of our solar system, smaller than Saturn. And Saturn is notable for the fact that there are rings around it, so it's completely ringed. Venus are its companions, and there are many of them. Jupiter and Saturn are composed of helium and hydrogen. Uranus and Neptune are smaller, and they include not only helium and hydrogen, but also methane and carbon monoxide. Oh, I completely forgot about Pluto. Pluto was found in 1930 and was considered as a normal, ordinary planet. But since 2006, it is not considered as a normal planet, but as a dwarf planet. You see how many interesting and new words we've learned today. But I think that's enough for today, and it's time to end our communication session with the Earth. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because here you'll find more interesting information. Bye!